guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new, and if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe down below if you do like what you see. I'm going to be doing another fall glam type of look for you guys today. I do have an idea of what I want it to look like in my head. Is it gonna come out like that? I really don't know. I'm going to be using a variety of palettes for today's look. Again, if you don't have these palettes, any look that I do, I'm sure you guys can just look through your own collection and find similar colors to what I am using, so you can try and recreate them. My base is already done and I have been moisturizing my lips. Usually I don't do this step until a lot later, like right before I do my lips, but they've been really dry lately. And they just feel good to be nice and soft. I'm going to begin by prepping my eye with some concealer. I usually don't do this, but I feel like for this look, I do need to do this. So I'm just using the Revlon Colorstay concealer for that, a little bit. And then I'm going to dab it in with my finger just to prep them. I'm going to begin by taking my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and with a Packer shader brush, I'm going to be picking up this purple right here. And I'm going to begin by applying this all over my eyelid and up into my crease. Right now we'll go ahead and blend it with another color. I want to wipe it off a little bit. So then now I can go in and just blend here the outer edges before applying the next color. And I'm taking a fluffy brush to finish blending out that edge. After the purple, I'm going in with my Juvias Zulu palette, and with a Wet n Wild fluffy brush, I'm going to be picking up the yellow. I'm going to start building up this yellow into my crease. Let me see if it shows up. It should. It should, I'm hoping. So I'm going to apply it here on my crease. So it is going to be a little bit on top of that purple, but that's what I want because that's what helps them to blend in together. And so now for my lower lash line, I'm going to be going in with that same yellow from the Zulu palette. Clean brush. I'm going in with the Violet Voss Essentials palette, and I'm going to be picking up the shade Plumberry with my finger. So I just want to stamp it on here in the middle, nothing like too perfect. I don't know, let's see. If I can do it good with my finger, then good. If I need a little bit more precise, I might have to go in with a brush. Yay! I'm liking it. It's coming out actually better than what I had pictured it in my mind, because I didn't know how well that yellow was going to work on top of that purple, but it's actually really pretty, and I'm glad this is working out, guys, because I don't practice these looks ahead of time. I just do them, so yay. So my finger did pick up the shade pretty well and it looks nice, but I do want it to be a little bit more precise, a little bit more cleaner. So I'm picking up a brush like this. I don't know the name because it doesn't have a name on it, but it looks like these. And I picked up a little bit more of that Plumberry shade, and let's see, let's go ahead now. I'm trying to get a mirror. I just need to add a little bit of highlight into my inner corner. This is really going to make this eye look pop. So of course I have to take my favorite highlight palette. As you can tell, very worn because I love it. So let's go ahead and add that to the inner corner. I'm going to add a little bit to my brow bone as well. And I'll use this same highlight shade for my cheekbones and Cupid's bow. And let me see, for lips I do want to keep it nude, I think this time around, because it is, again, like I mentioned, very out of my comfort zone. It's very bold, very dark. I'm not used to wearing this. So I want to keep it nude just to be safe on my end. I'll feel a lot more comfortable wearing a nude gloss. I'm just looking for the perfect one. You know what? This one. I like this one. Okay, I think I know what to do. First, I'm going to be taking the Bare Minerals Matte Lippy, and this one is in Hemp. It's just a nude lippy. It is matte. I am going to put a gloss over it, but I just want like a nude color underneath the gloss. Does that make sense? And then once I have that, I am going in with my NYX Butter Gloss, and this one is in Maybelline. Any NYX Butter Glosses, guys, if you haven't tried them yet, I don't know what you're doing. Try them. Video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. I really do love how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this look down in the comments. Would you recreate this yourself? I want to know. Let me know. And don't forget to subscribe down below if you're not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. I'll talk to you guys soon.